What's up, guys? Got a little inaugural photo, Desert Springs photo. As you can see, lining up the trucks, lining up the tractors, trying to get this nice rainbow in the background here for this picture. Pretty cool, pretty excited. Never done anything like this before. Got all the guys here wearing their Desert Springs stuff. We got Turbo with his nice... Turbo, come show him your glasses. Got Turbo with his glasses on. Yeah. Getting all the guys going.
Breathing good, Lord lifts me higher, singing oh when they call me on, singing oh when they call me on. Gonna ride the lightning. There's a man in a black coat standing at a crossroads with a pen in his hand and a long list of lost souls. They say flips are gone, fools and fools go. There's a man in a black coat standing at a crossroads. I hope he lets me pass by when I close my eyes. I'm gonna ride the lightning, feel the thunder, till the darkness pulls me under. Gonna fly on wings of fire, breathing good, Lord lifts